time to do some upgrades for the front end, new bearings, seals, and I'm going to see if I can fit the big brake kit. I also have some seals for the shock, or some top boots, and a slightly different spring for the front brake. So we'll whip the front wheel off and start getting into it. Little trick that I use is using some tie downs, hold the handlebars straight. That way when you're removing the front wheel, you don't get any of the flopping from side to side. It just makes it a lot easier. So the standard brake pads are 25mm wide, and I want to upgrade and go for 30mm wide, same as runs in the Montesa. So just going to check and see if there is room, and we literally have 30mm of depth on the brake pad surface. Actually, just slightly under, so we'll give it a whirl. These are the standard pads which sit in there, and you see there's a little bit of excess or some more drum area to utilize. And the 30mm pads completely cover the brake hub surface. So two advantages: increased surface area and less area for moisture to retain. So if you do go through some water, the fact that you're sweeping the whole surface means that it'll clear or dry or clean out quicker. So we'll go through and I'll get the rest of the pits. Here's the brake assembly with the 25mm pads. An existing one, as you can see, we've got an extra 4mm, so I only need 2.5mm either side, and it should fit. Let's give it a whirl. As you can see, we've got probably about 1.5mm of clearance. Okay, what's going on here? Okay. These old pads have actually been shimmed. So let's remove the shim. Little aluminium shim's been inserted. That's often used when we're setting up brakes, especially if you've got slightly worn pads, so that you increase this side of the pad and return the pivot to the center. There we go. $30mm pads, couple of mil clearance. They'll go perfectly. This is the shim that was removed from the old worn pads. Handy to keep that for another installation. There we go. There we are, all back together with 30mm wide brake shoes, new top fork dust seals, both sides.
Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.